take the name of Shah Rukh Khan a lot of times, right? Why? Because I find him great with spontaneity, right? His witty remarks in almost no time is really breathtaking, right? Um, so there are so many people who are exposed to camera and audience or media very often than not, most of those celebrities, right? But not all of them make a great answer, right? But Shah Rukh Khan does. Is it simply because of the practice? Of course not. It is the characteristic he has built within, right? It is the security that he has gained about his own personality, right? Which is not easily disturbed. अगर आपको कोई क्रिटिक देता है, क्या आप इजीली डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हो? नेचुरल फिनोमेना है, हर कोई होता है, बट क्या आप इजीली उसको कंट्रोल कर पाते हो, नहीं कर पाते हो? दैट्स पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट, राइट? एंड दैट्स व्हाट इज नीडेड इन स्पॉन्टेनियस सिचुएशन, right? However, there are few things that you can continue practicing. Pehla, please make a note of, it will help you. In fact, most of people do wrong with spontaneity is that they get started answering as soon as the question is asked, right? Always take a few seconds before you answer any spontaneous question or answer, or you speak anything actually. What I call it 1 to 3 seconds rule. 1 to 3 seconds, 1 second to 3 seconds, depending on the intensity of the question that has been asked to you.